everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is MAYO DADA, and if this is your first time stopping by, thank you for stopping by, and please be sure to hit the subscribe button down below. Today I just decided to come down here and show you guys how I cornrow my hair. I really love cornrowing my hair. Like, it's the most therapeutic thing that anybody could ask me to do for them or for me. If I ever go crazy, if I'm conflicted, if I'm perplexed about something, it's just my go-to. I just take out my hair and I just do it all over again. I know it really is bad because guess what, people be like, oh my god, your hair is not gonna grow as fast, but I don't really care. I really just don't care. Like, what's gonna happen? What's the worst thing? As long as I have hair that I could cornrow, I'm good. Like, I'm really good. There's nothing, absolutely nothing. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, please be sure to hit the subscribe button or even give me a like or just share my video. Like, I'm cool. Like, you might as well just follow me or subscribe. Oh yeah, follow me on Instagram and follow me on Twitter. Like, I actually am active on my social media a little bit more than I usually am. So I'll say you might as well, like, you might as well just give a girl a little follow or, you know, just subscribe. Like, what's the worst thing that could happen? So you need a comb, a cotton comb, and castor oil. Starting off on already detangled hair, you pat your hair in rolls from front to back. Apply some oil to the hair. I'm using my castor oil. And usually, I divide the first roll into 3 sections, and I grab it with like 3 convenient fingers. I start by braiding it in a stitch way, like it's looking like a stitch basically. Repeat this technique by adding a small section of hair from the row underneath to each braid stitch. Finish the braid once it's off your scalp. Repeating the process again, I'm parting my hair in rolls from front to back and adding some oil to it, literally drenching my hair in oil, and then dividing the first row into 3 small sections. Right after dividing into 3 small sections, I'm making the first braid stitch, basically. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to subscribe, follow me on my social media, and yeah.